Well, here it is. Here we have it. The final finished product. Everything's put together. We got the graphics card in there, 7600, RX 7600. That's in there. Everything seems to be working properly out here. Only thing that's left is the final peel off. I'm gonna try to do it one-handed because I'm holding the phone at the same time, so bear with me. See if I can do it. No. Okay. All right. Yep. All right. All right. I'll clean it up later, but there it is. There it is in action. Right there. If you all are hungry for all the parts of the video, I appreciate it. Appreciate the brothers for helping me out, making this dream come true. And wow, there it is. Yep. So we got the Ryzen 5600X paired with the 7600, the RX 7600, and that will get me up and running. So do some side 1080p gaming with that. But keep in mind, this is only part one of the build. Part two of the build, I'm going to replace this RX 7600 with a RX 7700 XT, which will get us into some 1440p gaming, a little bit stronger car. So that'll be probably about a month or so. So y'all stay tuned for that. But there it is. My first PC build. Thank everybody for hanging out, watching. I know the editing ain't that good, but bear with me. This is the beginning, so here it is. See y'all next time.